Welcome back again to my vlog, my people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting our video in this rocky place. You can see how rocky it is. This is part of our city our new city in Eldoret, and it's a place called Mushroom around Annex. So I've just come with my friend, something like a picnic or the sort. I don't know really, because we don't have a lot to do, but I've just come here to freshen up because after strike we have a very hard schedule. Like, it's a very tough schedule. We are having class 24/7. We are really doing work. We are really reading to cover the time that we lost it during strike. So I've just come here to this rocky place. This beautiful, my people. I've just come here with my friends behind the camera. They will come and say hi later. So I wanted just so guys, this is just a place here in Eldoret around Annex. It's called Mushroom. It's rocky. Some of you can see my people. It's rocky, and the rockiness of this environment enhance the beauty of our city, our new city, Eldoret. So when people we have been having a strike for a long time, and I know you are aware of that. And we resume. And by the way, when people we have resumed learning like we never left. We are having a very tough moment to cover the period that we lost in this strike. So today we've just done with our class, and we have had class since morning, that's 7 a.m. till now. It's around 3, almost 4. So we have just decided that we just come here and have a glance of nature. We just enjoy ourselves here so that we can freshen up from here before going to our house. Because even when we go to our house again at night, we always have online classes. So this period is very tough. I just want you people to enjoy the view with me. I just want you to freshen up with me. And this environment is very cool. So we are going to the river. Let's go to the river together. Imagine it's rocky also back to our river. Just rocky. Yeah.
Now this is the angle.
Let's enjoy now the river. It's nice. We are enjoying the calmness of the river, my people. It's so cold. Yes, cold. But what are the swimming vibe?
Yeah.
We're just feeling like swimming. Just you feel like swimming. But this river is too big. I don't know if you have any history about this river. You know something about this river?
No.
You are you are blank.
Oh, there are crocodiles here.
What are their crocodiles?
Yeah, I saw one the other day.
What are their crocodiles?
Yes.
You have ever seen crocodiles here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, there are crocodiles here. But this the rocks near the move closer. These rocks are very slippery. This rock is very slippery. Let's go this rock. When you slide here, you can fall down because they are very slippery. But there are crocodiles here and hippopotamus. So you need to be careful. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. YouTubers around Annex. We have our river here. Come and enjoy the breeze. But then you can come and sit here. There are this is here. You can come here. Here is your friend. You can see this is here. So for us we will not do that because I just come from class. That is going to come here. But next time we'll come here and take this place as a picnic. Come and enjoy. And meanwhile, enjoy the view of the river. Enjoy while you plant. Here.
Yeah.
And by the way, my people, from experience, just learn how to make yourself happy within the means that it's there or within what you can afford. Like for us, we have not paid anything to enjoy, but when nature is there, we get to enjoy. It has been a nice experience and we are still into it, imagine. So we just feel freshen up and we thank God for nature. Nature is always something to be celebrated and we celebrate it too.
Ukienda sikufuati.
These soaps are very slippery. My people, oh my goodness. People, another beach away from Mombasa. You don't need to go to Mombasa to enjoy. You don't need to be in Mombasa to enjoy nature.
Is this a beach or a river?
Even in Eldoret City, we have beach. We have beach.
Don't try me, girl. Don't.
There's a rock here. I think this entire river is also a road. That's not my idea. The entire river is rocky, so even it's hard to swim here because of the I'm just walking on top of rocks. So then, just walking. Wow. And the water is always clean. You can even drink. Huh?
Are you trying to tell us lies?
No,
How can you drink this water?
Am I risking?
You are not risking if you know how to swim. Yeah.
You see? People around Annex in Eldoret City, the new city around, come and enjoy the view. It's a bit deep right here. I've decided to take a walk away from my friends because they are capturing some memories there. They are taking photos. So I'm just walking around the river, and we still have rocks at the far end there. And then when people have noticed at the river, all over it's rocks, so it's even hard to swim because you can knock yourself. This all is the view of the river. How cool it is. Most of the people, they get away with their problem here at the river because they just come here and chill. I've realized that for the past, and it's like mostly the evening at 3-4 you get, most at the weekends. Today is just Wednesday, but weekends this place is always have a lot of people because most of people, they just come and chill around here. And when and if you are keen enough, when they come here, they come when they are just dull, they're having gloomy faces. But when they come out of this place, hey, they're always happy. I think this river, it takes away the people's problem. I think just like that song that it always sings, like, let the living water flow. So this is just the living water. I come out of this place and I call it the living water of Mushroom. It's very nice. This is just like the living water that takes all our cares and burden to Christ. Oh my goodness. We have here papyrus reeds. This is also common near the river source. Yeah. This is papyrus reeds. Or what's the name of this papyrus reeds? Please comment at the comment section and tell me the name of this plant. Is it papyrus reeds? So my people, today I'm happy and I come out of this, I leave this place very energetic to start another day tomorrow. Wow, wonderful. I'm happy and I'm super excited to be at this place because it's a very cool place and we have really enjoyed. I really enjoyed. We have had some fun. Then though one of our friends just fall, she slid at the river and she wet her clothes, so that is just the only bad thing, but unexpected always happen. Apart from that, we have really enjoyed and we thank God. I think hapo utakauka, si ndio? Ukikalia hapo, here we have sun. Think you will dry. Let me enjoy this view here. Guys, so far so good. I can say I've really enjoyed it. And I've just seen a train passing, and this has made me happy and also made me recall the day I enjoyed a trip using train from Nairobi to Mombasa. It was a really nice journey to trip using train SGR. And guys, though the train that has just passed at the far end is not for carrying people, I think it's for carrying cabinets. It has passed. Yeah, I think you can see at the far end, that white one, the train passing. I think it's going to Uganda. This all is about my trip, my evening trip after class.